This video tutorial is going to be more of an explanation than anything else. I'm going to talk a little bit about maintenance. I get a lot of questions about maintenance, very basic questions about how to do it, why it has to be done. So I figured go ahead and make a little video that covers all of the basics. So let's start with the first one. What is maintenance? Maintenance is a series of tasks that need to be performed on your database on a periodic basis in order to keep it in good running condition. The best way to think of it is to think about your car's engine. Your car's engine needs to be maintained every once in a while in order to keep it in top running condition. You have to give it a tune-up, change the oil, do a couple of other things, and you can pretty much bet that you will get reliable performance out of your vehicle. Databases are very much like your automobile in this respect. This maintenance takes the form of putting things back where they should be, because things tend to get out of place after a while. Now, just understand that there's nothing hard about doing maintenance. It's really quite easy to do. It really amounts to a series of button clicks for you, the user, but there's a lot going on under the hood. Why must it be done? Well, because databases, by the nature of what they do, need to have things arranged now and again. Databases send and receive data, usually over a network, and that is fraught with all kinds of possibilities and issues. Running maintenance on your database corrects the little problems that arise when you send and receive data over a network. How long does it take? It really varies and depends upon the configuration of your computer and your server and your network. The daily tasks generally will take somewhere in the matter of minutes. Can't say exactly how many, because it really depends. It depends upon how large your database is. It depends upon how good your network is, how fast your network is. It depends upon how busy the server that has Surpass installed on it is. So there are many things that affect how long maintenance takes. The dailies take less time to perform than the weeklies, and the weeklies take less time to perform than the database repair. How often does maintenance have to be done? Generally, maintenance should be done each day that you are doing work in your database. So there are daily and weekly tasks. You should run the dailies on a daily basis and the weeklies once a week. The weeklies are more invasive than the dailies. Can you use Surpass while it's running maintenance? No, you cannot use Surpass while maintenance is running. That's because the Surpass central application needs to have control over the database in order to make the corrections and do the tune-up tasks that need to be done. So no cataloging, no book borrowing can be done while maintenance is being performed. What is the difference between the dailies and the weeklies? The weeklies are just simply more invasive than the dailies. The weeklies have essentially a few more tasks to perform than the dailies. The daily, for instance, has local backup, and for that reason it's suggested that the dailies get done each day. The optimized task, which is not as important, is in the weekly tasks, so it will generally only get done once a week. Can maintenance be scheduled? Yes, maintenance can be scheduled, and in fact we encourage everyone to try to set maintenance to run on a schedule at night so that you don't have to think about doing it, and so that it will be done without impacting your normal processing day. It's very easy to schedule maintenance. It's essentially a series of mouse clicks and it's done. What is the database repair? The database repair is a set of tasks that is special. This special set of tasks is the most comprehensive tune-up that you can give to your database as a user. Generally, the database repair task set should only be done when Surpass technicians tell you to. The database repair gets done when problems arise with your database, if you're getting some kind of an error code, having some kind of a problem, that is generally when you will need to run a database repair. But it's a good idea to call your Surpass technician first, just to make sure. Okay, give us a call or write to us at 888-313-7678, and we can advise you as to what to do. I encourage you to look at the videos that cover scheduling maintenance and the video that covers database repair. Also, have a look at the video that covers just simply running maintenance. Okay, that's it. Thank you for your time.